St. Andrew's School History Hymn. Mr. Francis Dandan, the organist of the school and the St. Andrew Parish Choir, SAPC, came upon an idea of composing the school hymn, for he noticed graduates leave the school without an alma mater song since the school was established. In 1976, he asked the English teachers, with help of Odelia Cruz, to submit a poem about the school and that he composed the music for the chosen piece. Mr. Dandan based the lyrics from the works of Mrs. Edith Ferrer, Mr. Maximo Marcelo, and Father Paul Paulod. After several revisions, the hymn was completed on March 6, 1976, and it was taught to the graduating class for them to sing it on their commencement exercises. Thus, the batch of 1976 was first to sing the St. Andrew's School hymn. In 2006, music mentor Mrs. Cherry Bin Gregorio Cruz translated the school hymn from English to Filipino. This was first sung during the school's cultural presentation in December 2006 with the participation of the school Music Club Musiquero.